Hey everyone. Whoa, focus. We're good. All right. Hey everybody. The kids are asleep. Well, actually, just Desmond's asleep. Cozy is with Nana Trish. It is like day 8 of renovating our upstairs master bathroom in our flip in Utah. And let's take a look. All right, so the vanity is absolutely covered in tools right now. Everything that I could possibly think I would need. And there's the master closet. And here's the potty room. That's all cleaned out. That's gonna be tiled today. And my favorite part is the new walk-in shower. It used to be a big 40-inch tub that used to extend all the way out to the bottom of the wall. So now we're moved to a 30-inch stand-up, and it turned out really, really good. I just have to grout and seal areas, and then everything else is going to be covered in white shiplap. That is going to look super, super, super good. I got a new light that's gonna go in once the shiplap's in. We're gonna have to take off the mirror, lay the shiplap just around the edges underneath, and glue it back on, and then it'll just sit there. Vanity's gonna be turning white. We're getting all new doors and drawers. It's gonna look really good. Maybe I should just leave the toilet in there. Anyways, yeah, we had to move all the plumbing over so that it would meet the middle of the new stand-up area. All the plumbing had to be changed out, new P-trap, everything. Tested it, it all works. It is getting really cold outside. Anyways, that is all I have right now. We're hoping to have everything done by the next 2 days, 3 days, 2 or 3 days. All right, here we go.
Okay, so Nick just showed you the master, and I wanted to quickly show you our cute laundry room. We tore up all of the brown tile, and oh, you can hear Nick banging away, but so here's the laundry room floor. Isn't it the cutest? It's so cute. So we wanted to do a super bold color, and we chose the black and white because we just thought it looked so good with our grays and whites tones, and we just wanted a little bit of pop in here. And we almost did this in the master bathroom, but we chickened out, so we just did it in the laundry room. We just thought you can kind of be a little more brave in the laundry. So yeah, there's our cute little laundry room. I gotta show you Nala. Oh, she woke up, but look at this. Sweetest Nala, are you so tired? Wrapped up in your minky blanket? Oh my goodness. Guys, best blankets ever is the minky blankets. They're the best. They're so soft, and they're like really thick and heavy. But this sweetest girl. Hi Nala. You can go to sleep. Oh, we have a question with our accent wall here. We want to know if we should add more white to it, if it still looks too much like wood, or if we like the whitewash barn look. So should we add more white to this and kind of go more along with this route where it looks more like shiplap? I kind of like it. I think it looks really cute. And we're gonna have pictures that go all the way around it, so it'll look cute. So should we leave it or add more white? Desi, are you ready? You wanna see? Say hi. Can you say hi? Where are we going, on a hike?
It look like I've lost 17 pounds in 1 month.
Let me see. It's been... I think so. Are you ready to go on a hike? Should we go? Okay, let's go. You're coming. Where's your leash?
Everybody hop on!
So we're just gonna do a little family hike and a picnic and just try and wear these kids out because they slept for like 4 hours today. So that's our plan. Well, we went on our drive. Couldn't find the trails, couldn't find anything. We ended up at like the top of a mountain on the edge of a cliff. And so we came back home. So I don't have any fun hiking footage to show you. So I'm just gonna take some cute shots of the kids. Dada. Are you eating that? Is that so good? All done? Mm-hmm. Yeah, rah-rah. Do you hear Daddy upstairs? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yep. Hello! Hi, cute kids! What are you all doing? Soccer? Desmond, what are you eating? Mmm, that's yummy. What are you eating? Show me. What do you got? Oh, that's good stuff. It's bedtime. Let's go upstairs. No, no, no. Come on, Des. Boo. Come on, let's go. Boo. Where's your room? Doo-doo. There it is. Ah, there's your bed. You need your Kiki? Which one do you want? Which Kiki? This one? There you go. There's your Kiki. Desmond. Boo. Where are you? Boo. Can you turn it off? Turn it off. Turn it off. Say bye. 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 Okay, so that's all for today's vlog. Stay tuned for our next one. And so we're gonna be finishing the house more and trying to get it done so that we can have a complete flip. We got a couple more things we need to do. So thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and also like it. And comment about this wall because we want to know if we should add more white to it. All right.